Ever found yourself in a pinch, needing money fast? Maybe rent's due, or you're unexpectedly hit with an emergency expense. You've heard about Zelle Ally, but does it truly live up to the hype? Is it as fast as they claim? In this video, we're diving deep into Zelle Ally, putting its speed to the test, and exploring everything you need to know before sending or receiving money. We'll cover: what is Zelle Ally and how does it work? How fast are Zelle Ally transfers typically? Factors that can affect transfer speed. Safety and security considerations. Tips and best practices for using Zelle Ally. So, buckle up and get ready to learn all about the speed of Zelle Ally. What is Zelle Ally? Zelle Ally is a fast, easy, and secure way to send and receive money directly between bank accounts in the U.S. It's essentially a peer-to-peer payment service that connects to your existing bank account. How does it work? Enrollment. You enroll your bank account with Zelle Ally through your participating bank's mobile app or online banking platform. Sending money. To send money, you simply enter the recipient's email address or U.S. mobile phone number. Receiving money. When you receive money, it typically arrives in your bank account within minutes. How fast are Zelle Ally transfers typically? Now, let's get to the heart of the matter: speed. Zelle Ally boasts impressive speed, with most transfers arriving within minutes. In our tests, we consistently observed transfers completing within a few minutes, often even faster. Factors that can affect transfer speed. While Zelle Ally is generally very fast, a few factors can influence transfer times. Bank processing times. The speed of your bank's internal processing systems can play a role. Bank holidays. Transfers may take slightly longer to process on bank holidays. Technical issues. Occasional technical glitches on either your bank's end or Zelle Ally's end can cause delays. Safety and security considerations. Zelle Ally prioritizes user security. Here are some key security features and best practices. Two-factor authentication. 2FA. Enable 2FA for added security on your bank account and Zelle Ally account. Only send to trusted contacts. Only send money to people you know and trust. Be wary of phishing scams. Be cautious of suspicious emails or texts requesting money transfers. Report suspicious activity. If you suspect any fraudulent activity, report it to your bank immediately. Tips and best practices for using Zelle Ally. Verify recipient information. Double-check the recipient's email address or phone number before sending money. Use descriptive payment notes. Include a brief description of the payment in the notes section to help you track transactions. Keep records of transactions. Maintain records of all your Zelle Ally transactions for your own reference. Review account activity regularly. Monitor your bank account activity regularly for any unauthorized transactions. Common user questions and concerns. Can I use Zelle Ally for business transactions? While Zelle Ally is primarily intended for peer-to-peer payments, some businesses may accept it. Are there any fees associated with using Zelle Ally? Typically, there are no fees for sending or receiving money with Zelle Ally, but your bank may have its own fees. What if I make a mistake in the recipient's information? If you made a mistake in the recipient's information, you may be able to cancel the transaction, but this may not always be possible. Key takeaways. Zelle Ally is a fast and convenient way to send and receive money. Most transfers are completed within minutes. Factors like bank processing times and technical issues can occasionally affect transfer speeds. Prioritize security by enabling 2FA and only sending money to trusted contacts. Utilize descriptive payment notes and review your account activity regularly. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.